Okay, so this video covers how to kill bedbug eggs and stop them from coming back. Simple, practical steps you can do yourself to get your sleep and peace of mind back. Here's the thing, bedbug eggs can restart the whole problem even after you see fewer live bugs. This guide shows simple practical steps using heat, steam, cleaning, and targeted products to kill eggs and stop reinfestation. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bedbugs, click the link below. You know what really helped us? Remember that bedbug eggs are tiny, sticky, and tough. They hide in seams and cracks and can hatch later, restarting the infestation. That's why killing eggs is the key. It's the only way to stop the problem from coming back. This one's important. Follow these steps in order. Each step targets eggs in different hiding places so nothing gets missed. Let's go through them. Okay, so start at the top and don't skip steps. Each method hits eggs where the others can't. Washing hits fabrics, steam hits seams, dusts work in voids. Do them in order so you don't leave pockets of eggs that can hatch later. Okay, so first, wash and dry everything on the hottest safe setting. Dry at least 30 minutes. Second, use a dry, high-temperature steam cleaner slowly over seams and folds to kill eggs on contact. Third, put on bedbug-proof encasements right after treating and leave them for at least a year to trap anything left inside. Next, vacuum seams, frames, carpets, and baseboards, then seal and toss the vacuum bag outside. Use a two-part spray strategy. Contact sprays for visible bugs and labeled residual sprays in cracks and baseboards for ongoing control. Use insecticidal dusts like silica in voids and behind outlets to catch newly hatched nymphs. If something can't be washed or steamed, seal it in plastic for at least 6 weeks or run it in a hot dryer if safe. Reduce clutter, caulk cracks, and keep things off the floor near the bed. Finally, use interceptors under bed legs and inspect weekly for signs of eggs or live bugs. This part matters. Be persistent. Good example is sprays twice a week for the first month, then once a week for 2 to 3 months while you keep encasements, high heat washing, and interceptors in place. For the recommended products to kill bedbugs and eggs, click the link below. This one's for keeping the problem from returning. These extra steps help you stay confident and make sure clean items stay clean. Stick with these habits and involve everyone in the household. Separate dirty laundry into sealed bags and wash it right away. Move the bed away from walls and avoid touching headboards or nearby furniture with bedding so adults can't climb up and lay eggs. Inspect any used furniture carefully before bringing it inside. Clean, steam, or seal it for weeks first. Explain the plan to everyone so laundry and clutter rules are followed. Consistency lowers the chance of missing eggs. Keep a 3-month inspection log. If you see no live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, or blood spots for 3 months in a row, the infestation is very likely gone. You know what? Bedbugs are tough, but not unbeatable. They don't mean you're careless or that you'll never get rid of them. With consistent heat, cleaning, targeted sprays and dusts, and monitoring, you can eliminate eggs and prevent reinfestation. Stay steady. Small daily actions add up to big results. You can do this. Stay steady and keep taking small daily steps. For the trusted products we recommend to finish the job, click the link below.